right, people. Hello, how you doing? It's Professor Pip. Good evening, good night, good morning, depending on where you are. I wanted to talk real briefly about a topic I call labels. The reason why I want to talk about that is because as people, we put labels on friends, family, cousin, sister, brother, aunt, uncle. We put labels on people, and I think sometimes when we put labels on people, we give them like a superhuman power, or we end up really just allowing somebody to get in position to disappoint or hurt you. And I'm not saying friends and family always, are always bad things, but just for those friends and family members or people that you call close to you or you put labels on, okay, mom, dad, son, sister, cousin, brother, blah, 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 blah. Those labels sometimes in turn blocks us from looking at this person that you have a label on as just a person, okay? Sometimes those labels keep us from looking at somebody for who they truly are, and then we get upset or we feel away when they disappointed us, when the whole time you should have just looked at this person as a person instead of that label. And sometimes we can get hurt by that, by putting a label on someone, by making them higher or appear higher in our lives than they really are. And in my life personally, I've had to look at certain people that were close to me that I had labels on, and I had to look at them as a person, okay? And I had to take the label off of them, because with that label on them, I'm now giving you the power to mess my mind up, to keep me now where you need me, okay? When in actuality, I don't need to be in that situation, all right? These people that have labels will put you in a situation where now I'm hurt, my feelings are hurt, or how could you let me down, or how could you do this to me, or I can't believe they did this, or what in the heck? And that label is what got you in trouble in the first place, okay? So I'm not telling you to kick your loved ones to the curb or not look at somebody that you love in a certain way. What I want you to do is just work on, do I have a label on this person? Is the label I'm giving this person allowing them to affect me, okay? And I just want you to think about that, putting labels on people, all right, and friends and family members to a point where now you've left this door open to receive nothing but hurt, and you can't look past the fact this person's a person. When you look at somebody as a person instead of a label, it helps you deal with them better. And also it gives you a line, okay, that they don't cross, because that label keeps them here, okay? You take that label away, it keeps them over there. All right, it keeps them from in front of that. You allow them over that line. But once people feel like they got that label, they cross the line, come in your open refrigerator, poop on you, whatever they want to do because of that label. So what I want you to do today, folks, is think about some of the people you may have labels on, okay, that you may look at, and because of that label, you allow them to do certain things or get away with certain things. I don't care if it's spouse, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend. Don't put yourself in position to allow somebody to hurt you because of a label. Look at them as a person. Okay, and that's all I wanted to tell you folks today. Something that was on my chest and I've been thinking about for a while to share with you guys. So thank you very much for your time, and don't forget about those labels. Put a label on yourself. Good night.